On the record in clause number 326618, the case is styled as State of Texas versus Denario Blankenship. Mr. Blankenship, is that your full name?
No, sir.
It's not? What's your full name?
Denario Marquis Blankenship Senior.
Denario Marquise Blankenship Senior.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Blankenship?
I'm doing all right, dude.
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Blankenship, is this your first time appearing in court on this case?
On this case, I don't even know what it is.
I'm just,
But it's my first time. The last court case was, I was in Pensacola, Florida, at my grandfather's funeral.
okay, no, I'm saying, but you had another, this is your second court date.
Right, yes, sir. Second time. First time of me appearing
This is the first time appearing?
for this case, yes, sir. But it's the second court date.
He doesn't have anything, I don't know what he's on that last one, but,
Should have been on the Raymond docket.
I mean, yeah, but there's no, judgment explanation.
No, because he never was arraigned.
Mm.
Okay, now, Mr. Blankenship,
Yes, sir.
as a defendant in a criminal case, you have three options. Number one, you may hire an attorney. Number two, if you do not have enough money to hire an attorney, you may request an attorney be appointed to represent you. Or number three, you may represent yourself. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
If you want an attorney to represent you and have enough money to hire an attorney, the case will be reset to give you time to do so. If you want an attorney and do not have the money to hire one, you will need to fill out a financial questionnaire so that the proper person can determine whether or not to appoint an attorney to represent you. You may not speak to the prosecutor about your case unless you sign a written waiver of your right to be represented by an attorney. Be aware that there are dangers to self-representation. Waiving your right to an attorney and representing yourself may result in a worse outcome for you and your case, including the loss of significant legal rights and opportunities relating to military service, possession of a firearm, housing and public benefits, child custody, immigration status for non-citizens, and employment. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
If you choose to proceed without an attorney, you may change your mind at any time and may request counsel from the court. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Defendant's choice. On the document that you have before you, do you see where it says defendant's choice?
Oh,
I was just reading that document.
okay.
It says at the bottom,
Yes, sir, I see it.
mark initials next to only one choice. If your choice is, I want to reset this case to hire my own attorney, then you will place your initials on the first line to the left. If your choice is, I have hired an attorney whose name is, then you will place your initials on the second line to the left and the name of the attorney on the line to the right. If your choice is, I want to apply for court-appointed counsel, then you'll place your initials on the third line to the left. If your choice is, I have a court-appointed attorney whose name is, then you'll place your initials on the fourth line to the left and the name of the attorney on the line to the right. If your choice is, I want to waive my right to an attorney and represent myself, then you'll place your initials, you'll place your initials on the fifth line to the left. And once you finish signing one of the 5 lines, or once you finish initialing one of the 5 lines, then you will sign on the line that says defendant, and you will place today's date of March 24th of 2021. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can just take some time and make your choice, and then we'll proceed from there.
Okay.
There's a pen, so you can, if you need some time to make your choice, you can sit at the table, review that document again, so that you can make the choice that you would like to make.
All right. Question: if I have a lawyer, but they're not like in Beaumont, whatever, are they able to do it via Zoom or no?
Well, right now you got to make your choice, and just tell us what you want to do.
That's what I was asking.
I mean, the question does not have anything to do about Zoom on this document that I just read to you.
I'll be right back.
Okay, so just take your time and read the document. If you have any questions about this document, then we'll address that.
All right.